Today I'll be showing you how to line your bag and add a zipper. All the materials I used will be linked in the description box below. I will also link the tutorial video for this crochet bag. We're going to start off by cutting some fabric to the size of your bag. And we're going to sew the sides only. We're going to turn our bag inside out. And so our fabric won't move when we're sewing it. I'm going to place some pins on the sides. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. Since I don't have a sewing machine yet, I'll be sewing it the old-fashioned way. And the trick to sewing it by hand is by making the stitches very small so they can be barely visible. Now that we're done sewing our sides, we can turn our liner inside out. We're going to go ahead and insert our crochet bag inside. And we're going to start folding the edges here. And we're going to sew this to our crochet bag. And again, I'm going to place the pins here so my fabric won't move. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And we're going to go ahead and start sewing. And if you have a sewing machine, this will make it so much faster and easier. And just remember to make your stitches small so they're barely visible. All right, so I'm done sewing both sides of the bag. I just realized I should have steamed this fabric beforehand, but whatever, I guess you won't be able to see it. So this is how the bag looks like right now. Gonna turn it inside out so you can see how it looks. Now we can add our zipper. And I'm gonna leave some extra on the sides so we can sew that in. Again, I'm gonna place some pins so it can make it easier to sew. I really hope you found this video useful and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section below. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.